So if you're looking for an easier way to heat up your food, whether it's in the office, maybe you work outside, or you're traveling, this definitely is worth a look. So this electric lunchbox was gifted to me so I can show you everything that it comes with. We're going to go over the features of this. So you'll notice right away it does come with a little container to go ahead and keep your lunchbox in here. That helps keep everything cool or warm, depending on how you want to use it. It also comes with a little container to go ahead and put your any type of foods that you want to in here. And it also comes with 2 different cords. Now the way you're going to power this is either through a typical electrical outlet, or in your vehicle you could use this 12 volt DC cord to go ahead and get everything heated up in here. Now it does warm it up to 158 degrees. The inside of this is right around 50 ounces and it has 80 watts of power. Now on the top it does have 2 handles here that are hidden when they're lying down. And we have a compartment here for these utensils, which are provided. It does come with a fork and a spoon. And then we've got 4 clips, 1 on each corner. That way you can go ahead and just lift this off and just place it on the side. So for any steam that builds up inside, we do have a little steam release valve. You can kind of get a better look at it here on the side. So the steam's going to just kind of push that up and the steam's going to come out through here. Also, it does have a silicone seal. You can see that around there. That way when it's all secure on the top, nothing's going to spill out of it. Now on the interior, we do have a removable stainless steel container. This is dishwasher safe. And on the inside of here, this is where the heating elements are going to be. Once you turn it on, this is going to heat up, and that's why you don't want to put any food in here. You just want to make sure you put it in the container. And then you're going to go ahead and lock this down and get it turned on. Now on the side of this is where you're going to go ahead and plug in your cords. This 12 volt cord is going to go on the left side, and they are different, so that way you can easily see there which cord you're going to use. And then on the right side, that's when we're going to go ahead and use this plug, which is for a standard outlet. So once you plug this in, there is an indicator light there. It's kind of an orange look to it, but that lets you know that it is plugged in and it is warming up. I love being able to heat up my food, whether I'm in my vehicle or in the office or the home anywhere. It's super easy to use, and I hope you found this review helpful.